Farmer's Channel.
Have you ever pondered about the weight hard work and unity hold in shaping our lives? Today, we dive into a tale that unravels this very notion. Imagine a humble farmer in a small village, the proud father of 7 sons. As the sun kissed his fields, he shared his dream with his sons, a dream of prosperity and wealth born from the fruits of their land. His eldest son, a bit skeptical, questioned their luck, while another doubted their knowledge of farming. The farmer, a beacon of faith, asserted that with hard work and hope they could overcome any hurdle. Time moved on as it does, and the farmer, like all mortal beings, passed away. His last wish? For his sons to unearth a treasure he claimed was buried in his land. The sons, abiding by their father's wish, found nothing but soil and stones. One son even wondered if their father had deceived them. But the other sons held their faith, choosing to believe in their father's words. With this belief, they continued to toil in the fields, working shoulder to shoulder. Their diligence increased the crop production, and with the sale of their produce, they earned the wealth their father had dreamed of. As the seasons changed, so did the sons' understanding of their father's words. They realized that the true treasure was not buried in the land, but was in their unity and hard work. They understood that they had overcome their challenges through their collective effort and determination. In retrospect, their journey was a testament to the fact that hard work, coupled with unity, can conquer any challenge. They learned that the path to success and prosperity is paved with perseverance and cooperation. In conclusion, this tale underscores the significance of unity and hard work. It reminds us that difficulties are not meant to defeat us, but to strengthen our resolve. It teaches us that the key to overcoming any obstacle lies in our hands, shaped by our hard work and unity. So as we navigate our own lives, let's remember the farmer and his sons and the lessons they offer. Remember, every successful individual, farmer or otherwise, is a testament to the power of hard work and unity. So when life throws challenges your way, muster your strength, unite with those around you, and work hard. After all, as the story of the farmer and his sons shows us, the real treasure may be buried not beneath the soil but within our efforts and unity.